What is AutoCAD? Actually, AutoCAD is a software application and the abbreviation is Computer Aided Design, and this software application using for 2D and 3D drafting and designing. It's available since 1982 as a desktop application and since 2010 as a mobile, web and cloud-based app. Currently marketed as AutoCAD 360 software. AutoCAD Electrical using for electrical control design. So this software name is AutoCAD Electrical software. This software will scale new height in the ever growing field of electrical control design. And basic AutoCAD and AutoCAD Electrical has some different features and different drawing system and work system. We will describe step by step. What is the benefit of AutoCAD Electrical? Our screen shown a electrical design. When we draw this design in basic AutoCAD system, that will need to use time and this work will be complex. But when we use AutoCAD Electrical, the design more accurately in less time, and it's possible to reuse design and rapidly respond to customer change. And other benefit is comprehensive symbols libraries. AutoCAD has huge symbols and libraries which electrical delivers based on international standard automated insert component process. So it's very easy process to use the symbols for schematic drawing, control system, one line diagram, lim limit system, motor control system, PLC system, etc. And difference between AutoCAD and AutoCAD Electrical. It is very important for understand what is the main difference, because many people get confused the fact of AutoCAD Electrical and general AutoCAD. Actually AutoCAD Electrical has the standard AutoCAD commands available as well, and this because Electrical, which was formerly known as an add-in program called wiring drawing, installs tools into the AutoCAD menu structure, so it can make use of the AutoCAD drafting engine. The display shown an example of AutoCAD electrical system. The picture is a panel design. When we comparison this design as like a general AutoCAD and AutoCAD electrical, we are easily understand if we want to design general AutoCAD system, this design it will be more complex. And the example 2, this example is control schematic design, And example 3 is control circuit. So it's very easy understanding when we use AutoCAD general version. It will be need more time for design this type of schematic, but AutoCAD electrical features is symbols and extra programming for analysis of AutoCAD electrical circuit. And other features of AutoCAD electrical, it's possible to PLC design, and its easy way to create a PLC style is to copy the library symbol of an existing PLC style to one of the unused style number, and then edit each one to suit your needs. A very important feature is real-time error checking to eliminating design error before build phase. Being the design, it's possible to audit our all design where we can show the errors and the specific point or status. And another feature of AutoCAD Electrical is report. Every schematic report and panel report is possible to generate by using AutoCAD Electrical software. And the report is very important for as an electrical engineer for make decision, analysis, budgeting, and so on.